Hi, welcome to this video series on solar thermal. My name is MAEESTA. I'm one of the technical experts of UNIDO MAEESTA project that is funded by GEF. With up to 70% of energy use in industries being used to provide heat, solar thermal is one of the key resources to decarbonize industry. To fully enjoy the benefit of this free and renewable energy from the sun, solar thermal has to be designed properly to meet with the actual requirement. The implementation of a well-designed ship system starts with an energy assessment. Energy assessment provides you with information on how to optimize the performance of your existing system, as well as identifying potential solar thermal integration points. The focus is to maximize energy efficiency first, prior to considering any solar thermal integration. Once the integration point is identified, you can then start to design your proposed ship system. The key information required are the required temperature and mass flow, operating hours per day, operating days per week, as well as typical off days in a year, together with availability of space for the solar collector and the storage tanks. A well-designed ship system will have good monitoring instrumentation in place. Once the installation is completed, testing and commissioning is important to optimize the performance. Information from the monitoring system are key input to good testing and commissioning. For solar thermal system, the basic monitoring concept would involve measuring the temperature and flow of the solar loop, temperature and flow of the process loop, as well as the temperature in the storage tank and the volume of top-up water. For large size tank, it may require more temperature sensors to have a good profile of the temperature of the hot water. Measurement of ambient conditions such as solar radiation, wind, temperature are useful but not critical. The main objective of monitoring system is to have an insight into the ship system performance. The goal is to have as much heat is delivered by the sun while keeping the auxiliary heatings to the minimum. Monitoring data allow you to visualize your system performance, comparing thermal demands against heat yield from the sun. The target is to have as much solar yield as possible. The solar yield provides you with information about your cost saving and the GHG reduction achieved by your ship system. The maximum amount of heat you can get from the sun is very much a factor of the size of the aperture area of the installed collector and the collector efficiency. Optimal solar operation requires optimal control, especially with regards to the set temperature and flow of all the different loops. Heat losses in the collector loops, distribution pipe, or storage could affect system performance. So good information from monitoring system will allow you for optimization of your solar system. What would be the key concern when people are considering solar thermal? Some will say that PV is much better option. It depends really. If you have thermal demand within your facility, solar thermal is an obvious choice, as solar thermal collectors has higher efficiency compared to PV. Typical solar thermal collectors are 3 times more efficient than PV panels. Hence, you will require smaller space for solar collectors. What happens in the event of no sun? This can be addressed with good design and storage, as well as backup heating system. Some will think that solar thermal has technical risks and complex integration. This can be addressed by good design, as solar thermal technology is a mature technology. With the price of energy forever increasing and the push for net zero, solar thermal is the perfect solution to isolate yourself from increasing costs and decarbonize your operation. Investment in solar thermal provide you with heat at fixed costs over the lifetime of the ship system. Even at current investment costs, for most conditions, the levelized cost of energy from solar thermal is much lower compared to fossil-based heat. To summarize, solar thermal is a reliable technology that can provide endless free energy. A well-designed ship system with good monitoring in place will ensure you get free energy as long as the sun keeps shining. When you have thermal demand in your facility, think solar thermal first. Solar thermal can help decarbonize our industry. Thank you for watching. Sunny regards.